Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm excited to walk you through exactly how to create beautiful, frame-worthy, printable wall art and passively earn money selling it on Etsy. This will be a thorough step-by-step tutorial, and we're going to be covering everything you need to know about designing stunning prints in Canva, how to save your project properly, create professional mockup images, and then uploading the final project on Etsy for art lovers around the world to purchase. So this is a very creative business model and side hustle that fits perfectly around the schedule. So without much further ado, let's just jump in and get started. Getting your Canva account set up. Now the very first thing that we need to do is to head over to Canva and sign up for a completely free account. Canva, in my opinion, is one of the best intuitive graphic design platform that we'll be using to create beautiful, frame-worthy, printable art, and it's completely free. Now it does offer a valuable membership from which you can get a lot of features that you can definitely use in order to create art and for many different things, but the free version will do the job just fine at the moment. So visit canva.com, click on sign up and register for an account following the quick and easy steps. So now with our Canva account created, let's start designing. Simply click on create a design at the top, and then on the template you'll want to select the custom size option. And now for choosing our print size dimensions. So what size in inches should we make this a new artboard for our printable file? The initial canvas size is going to be the largest option that we'll provide our customers with. And from here we can easily scale down to create smaller size options later on. So now when thinking about sizing, consider standard frame dimensions that you see and sizes that look most pleasing. Personally, I recommend the largest printable file, usually around 16 by 20 inches, and then we can size down from there. So for today it will be an example project, but the steps will remain the same for when you're creating a real project that will be uploaded on Etsy and be sold for money. So let's kick things off by entering a 16 inches width and 20 inches in height, name your new design, and then click the blue Create New Design button. And now for uploading graphics, photos and fonts to use, we now have a large 16 by 20 inch artboard canvas to design our printable on. So now it's time to start adding elements. First, we want to upload any graphics, photos or illustrations that you plan to incorporate into the design. I highly recommend only using visual assets that you have an appropriate commercial license for. If you want to create designs or graphics that you want to use for yourself, you can do that in programs like Procreate or stocks from Adobe, or you can simply purchase commercial use graphics from sites like Creative Market. You got a lot of options and you're free to use whatever you want, just absolutely make sure that it is licensed. So I'm going to upload a simple hand letter quote graphic, and then I'll add a delicate background. And for the text, we can choose from Canva's free font options or upload our own fonts for a more custom look. You can add a line in description confirming that it's your original font design or that you have a license for it, which can help you avoid a lot of issues later on. Now for formatting or branding your printable, you can add your text and graphics onto the blank canvas and then make things gorgeous by customizing everything. Place the elements wherever you want, adjust sizes as needed. You can make sure to use Canva's alignment tools to center and position items properly so nothing looks off. I also recommend working your shop name or logo in there subtly so customers know it's your original design and they also get used to your brand. Once your design is complete, the largest size artboard file is now downloadable, and we can save this project out in multiple size options to provide customers with choices. So now in the top right of your template, click the download icon to save a final high quality PDF of your large 16 by 20 size. For prints, I highly recommend downloading as a PDF file first, and this will give you the best and clearest image quality. Once you've downloaded that first largest size, then we can quickly create additional sizes scaled down proportionally from the original. Go to the top left and click the resize option, and here we can put in the dimensions for the next smaller sizes that we want to offer, such as 11 by 14 inches. Click on apply to all elements and then click the copy and resize button. And just like that, we instantly created a new smaller artboard with your design resized proportionally. Download the second size as a printable PDF. And then we can rinse and repeat for as many sizes as you'd like to provide your customers. Offering a wide range of flexibility caters to more potential customers and their framing needs. You'll see on most Etsy listings as people would be offering few size options, but it's super easy to generate them all through Canva. And now for the next step will come the mockups for our listings. We have created our full range of printable sizes ready, but now we need a mock-up preview image to really show off our artwork in the Etsy listing and catch our buyer's eyes. To do that, start a Canva template and choose at least a 2000 by 2000 pixel size for optimal Etsy display. And then let's find a mockup scene with a frame or layout that fits our art style. Drag your printable file onto the mockup template and then align it as realistically as possible into the frame. And now the customer has a beautiful visualization of the finished wall art once they have it downloaded and installed themselves. You can always indicate in the description or on the image itself that this art is digital download only, so that the customers know when purchasing that it is a printable download, not physical framed art. So this avoids confusion. So now we want to download our polished mockup visual as JPEG at high resolution. I recommend designing a few options, changing up mockup templates and layouts to give more variety to our Etsy shop. And now for the final step, which is uploading all of our work onto Etsy so customers can start purchasing. So go ahead and open up your Etsy shop manager and then click on add new listing to create a new product listing. Start by importing those mockup images that we created first, so one displays as the main thumbnail. And then carefully and clearly fill out all the listing detail fields from title to tags. For the product files, you'll upload a zipped folder containing all the different printable sizes, PDFs, plus an instruction sheet that I recommend you including. This allows instant download. In the description, detail exactly what they'll receive so customers know what they're getting. If you have any policies, print advice, sizing ratio, quality information, describe it clearly upfront so that you avoid any confusion with the customers. And don't forget to set the listing type to digital and select a price that you think is fair based on competitor research. And there we go, publish your masterpiece and get ready for sales. Now, a tip that I would highly recommend is that you should take the extra time to also design an instruction sheet PDF to package with your wall art download. This additional sheet visually restates sizing or ratio options and gives your printing guidance for home versus professionally. You can answer common questions, reiterate policies like no refunds, and so much more. Even though your listing description covered everything clearly already, this is an extra instruction and a frequently asked questions sheet that shows customers you're a thoughtful seller who wants to provide an amazing service. It's good because it sets clear expectations, reassures them that you're a print pro, and you proactively answer so many questions that they may have before they even think about it. It's very simple but powerful, and it goes such a long way. And that will be all for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful or enjoyable to watch, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos.